Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check out the flight status on the Aeromexico application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then click on the status button down below indicated with this clock icon. After that, you have the choice to select or check out the flight status by typing in the departure and destination points into these two bars. Choose a date and then click on the search button. And you can also check out the flight status by clicking on the flight number option at the top. After that, type in the flight number into the bar at the top, and below choose the date and then click on the search button at the bottom of the screen. And here you can see the flight detected. You can see its status, which is arrived. In this case, you can see the date, the time, the departure and destination point as well. So click on the X button at the top, and basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.